My name is Idaham, and today I will discuss about my topic, which is a 5 statement, and I will introduce about 5 statement in coding C++. So 5 statement in C++ are used to read and write data to a file, and they allow data to be stored permanently even after the program has been closed. And some commonly used file objects are offstream, ifstream, and fstream. So offstream used to write data to a file, and ifstream used to read data from a file, and the last one, fstream, used both read and write data to a file. Okay, now we move to the next part. We have input, output, and process. So we start for the input. So the input for this program is the student name, BMI values, and BMI categories. So the students are Ali, Ahmad, and Abu, and there are BMI values and categories are provided being stored in the files. So we move to the process, and the program first create a file name like BMI txt, then it writes the student BMI information into the file and close it. After that, the file is opened again for reading, and the program read each line using the get line in bracket, and function will display the content on the screen, and finally the file is closed. Okay, we move to the next part. We have a output. Okay, so for the output, in this program is a list of students with their BMI values and BMI category are displayed on the screen, and the information is retrieved from the BMI txt files after being read by the program. So that's all from input, process, and output. Okay, now we move to the next part. We have a pseudocode, and the pseudocode start by creating a file name BMI txt, and the program writes and title and BMI information of 3 students into the file, and after all the data has been stored, the file is closed. Next, the file is opened again for reading, and the program uses a while loop to read each line from the file and display it on the screen. So once all lines have been read, the file is closed and the program will stop. Okay, for the last part, we have a flowchart. So I will explain about this flowchart. So the flowchart start with start. First, the program create a file name BMI txt, then it store the BMI information of 3 students, which is Ali, Abu, and Ahmad, into the file. After all the data has been written, the file is closed to save all the information properly. Next, the program open the BMI txt file for reading, and it then display the student BMI list on the screen. So the program read one line from the file and display that line. After that, it check whether there is more data available in the file, and if the answer is yes, the program return to read and display the next line, and this process continues until all line in the file has been read. So if the answer is no, the program close the file and will stop. And lastly, this flowchart show the complete process of creating a file, like storing data, reading the data, and display the content using file handling in C++. Okay, now I will running my coding C++ by using online GDB. So coding C++. So I just click run and make sure you use language C++. And now just click run. So as the result, we have Ali, Abu and Ahmad as a output. Now that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.